Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp link in TikTok. For this, we need to open the WhatsApp application. Now, if you want to add WhatsApp link, it can be your own profile link or your group link. So, to copy group link, firstly open any group. So, you have to scroll down and you will see this option here, invite via group link. Just simply tap on it and tap on this copy link. If you want to add your own WhatsApp number, you have to create it first. To create your own number WhatsApp link, simply write as it is like me. So you have to write like something like this, wa dot me slash, and here you have to enter your number. Like I will write with my country code and simply copy it like this. Now go to Google. It will redirect us. If you search this, if it will redirect us to WhatsApp. Now open the TikTok application, tap on your profile picture and tap on this edit profile. Now you have to find website option if you have more than 10k followers, but in my case I don't have the 10k followers, so I will open this bio here and paste my link here, but it will not be clickable. If you want to add clickable link, you should have 10k followers on TikTok. So as you can see, here is my number. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.